Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki pulit ke East Khasi Hills ki layo ban kem ya arngut ki dekhot ke KSU South Khasi Hills. Halor ke jingdon kti ban penyap ya arngut ki khana samla ki badai ki barjala ha ichamati ka bahap hapo ke shala constituency. Katkum ke kerwo khobor laong baki pulit ki la kem ki dekhot ke KSU hakamit sngining kong jong katayo ke shitarik ya yong arhajar arphausaw. Bat yakini ki arngut latip kerteng kum umesa dap bors Campbell arphau hendusnam ubadai na Sohra East Khasi Hills bat ushan borlang shati arphau hendusnam karta na maulong leadership Sohra East Khasi Hills. Habayakran bat kilat pathai khubor na kaliang USP ke East Khasi Hills Urituraj Ravi ulaong bay kini ki arngut layo ban kem Hadien ke jingyo jingtip ke batikna hakabede bat ke jingja ke balaja ha ichamati. Na kaliang USP ula pentip ru baya kini ki arngut ki dekhot ke KSU South Khasi Hills lara syaying ke syari bantian bishar hakabaka ying ke syari kala aipor henyo sngi ya katanat pulit ban penong ya ke jingtoket. USP ula pentip ru ke jingtoket kadang ya chakmat naduk basdang jong ke jingja bat kandang yai beteng tat haduk dalayo kem ya baro ki badan keti. Hadien ke jingja na kaliang katanat pulit ke East Khasi Hills kala penjur ke jing pahra na ke bentaban wanra ya ke syong suk syong san bat bakan omdon kenu ke jing ya huri hura ni ke jingja bas ngosi.
Yes, so pursuant to the two murders that took place under Shella PS, last night we made 2 arrests. Both were produced to court today, and the court has granted to us 7 days of police custody.
What are the sections?
302-34, and further sections we will see as the investigation proceeds.
Any more persons involved in the crime?
Investigation is going on. Thank you.
Sir, what are the name of these 2 culprits?
I'll read it out to you. One is Shri Shanburlang Shati, and the other one is Shri Mesada 4 Skembe. Both 26 years old.
Where are they from?
Sohra.
Okay. So,
Is still going on.
okay.
We are at the very initial stage of investigation, so investigation will go on into this case.
So, what is the status as of now, and do you look forward to some more arrests now?
Yes, so investigation in this case is at very initial stage, and it will go on. Thank you.
So, the relative today we have spoken to them. They have expressed experiment that police went to pick him up around midnight. Why it was not done during that time? Because these boys were there only in the.
No, but we have we got certain leads into this case, the details of which I'm not at liberty to divulge. And in the pursuit of that, last night we were able to make these 2 arrests. Thank you.
What is the motive?
No comments.
Is there any?
No, this is an investigation into 2 murders. Law will take its own course. Thank you. Situation is now normal, peaceful. Yes, we have deployed additional force from outside the district, both in under Shella PS jurisdiction, also in Shillong.
How many companies?
No, they are from Meghalaya police only, but from outside the state. Thank you.
So, in view of the arrest, because they're statement that the situation might escalate, any kind of arrangement made, special arrangement or security arrangement for this?
Yes, we are maintaining highest vigil that no untoward incident take place, and we are hopeful the situation will remain peaceful.